You know that dreaded phrase, press 1 for billing, press 2 for sales, press 3 to repeat the menu. Traditional IVRs are clunky, frustrating, and let's be honest, customers hate them, me included. But what if you could replace all the button mashing with a natural voice? A voice agent that simply asks, how can I help you today, and gets the caller exactly where they need to go. That's the power of automating IVR with Voice AI. Hey, I'm Caleb from Synthflow. On this channel, we show you how to scale phone conversations with Voice AI without losing the human experience. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest call center headaches, IVR menus, and how to automate them with AI voice agents that are faster, friendlier, and way easier to deploy. Look, we've all been there. Endless menus, repeating yourself 1,000 times, and getting dropped into the wrong department anyway. For businesses like yours, IVR is supposed to cut costs, but in reality, it often drives caller frustration, abandoned calls, and low satisfaction scores. Customers want answers, not a puzzle to solve. With Synthflow, you can flip IVR on its head. Instead of pressing numbers, callers just say what they need. Here's how it works. Natural language routing. The caller says, I need to check my account balance, and the agent instantly routes them to the right system. Dynamic knowledge access. Instead of rigid scripts, the agent can pull real data from your CRM, ticketing system, or API. 24/7 coverage. Calls get answered at any hour, no long waits, no missed opportunities. It feels like talking to a helpful receptionist, not battling a machine. When businesses replace traditional IVR with Voice AI, the results are huge. One of our healthcare partners automated their inbound triage and saw a 60% boost in answered calls, plus fewer patient complaints. A BPO partner running 40 Synthflow agents now handles over 600,000 calls a month, routing them seamlessly without clunky menus. Even agencies white label our agents for clients, turning complex IVR trees into branded conversational experiences. It's not just automation, it's a better customer journey. Plenty of AI vendors promise IVR automation, but here's why companies choose Synthflow. Speed. You can be live in under 3 weeks with no code. Compliance. SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR. We've got enterprise-grade security out of the box. Cost. At 8 cents a minute, it's up to 90% cheaper than staffing Tier 1 calls. Scalability. Whether it's 50 or 50,000 calls at once, our platform handles it with sub 500 millisecond latency. Control. Use our no-code builder or APIs, bring your own telephony, and integrate directly with your existing stack. And let's be honest, traditional IVR can't keep up with that. The truth is, customers don't care about pressing 1 or pressing 2. They care about getting answers fast. By automating IVR with Synthflow voice agents, you cut friction, reduce costs, and actually improve customer experience all at the same time. And it's important to note that Voice AI isn't replacing your team. It's freeing them up to focus on what matters most. So if you're ready to ditch outdated phone menus, it's time to see Synthflow in action. Head over to synthflow.ai to start your free trial or request a demo today. And before you go, check out this video on the screen because it's going to show you a whole lot more about what Voice AI agents can do for you.